Come again. Today we will understand whole numbers according to class 6th NCERT book. Okay, NCERT book we have, and according to that we will understand the concept in this video, and in the next video we will solve the exercise, first exercise, that's 2.1. So let's start with the whatever the introduction is there. So introduction is like whole numbers concept is there, successor, predecessors is there, number line concept is there. So the chapter starts first with predecessor and successor. Okay, predecessor. Okay, SSOR and successor. SSOR. Okay, so there are two things in this, predecessor and successor. Pre means backward. Okay, for example, there is prehistoric, means before history. Successor means after. Okay, so if you want to calculate any predecessors, you have to subtract 1, then you will get the predecessors of any number. Similarly, if you want to get successor of any number, you have to add 1, then you will get the successor. Okay, so now let's find out something what we have explained now. So for example, there is a 13 is there. So 13 is there, then of 13 number, if you want to get the predecessor, okay, predecessor of 13 can be found at 1 3 minus 1, because we want to find the predecessors, means before that. Predecessors means before that. You need to understand this concept, that pre means before. Okay, successor means after. Okay, so predecessor will be 12 here, and if you want to find out the successor here, then you have to add plus 1, means you have to add 1, so you'll get 14 here. Okay, so this is the concept of predecessor and successor, and at any place you can apply this. For example, let's take example of 1000. Okay, so its predecessor will be 1000 minus 1, it means 999. Okay, similarly its successor will be 1000 plus 1, and it will be 1001. Okay, I think the concept is clear. You need to understand and make your mind according to the concept. Okay, so that you should not have any confusion today and later in your classes. Okay, now after predecessor and successor, we have second topic, that is whole numbers. Okay, the complete chapter is whole numbers, but first of all we need to understand what are the whole numbers. As we already know, there are natural numbers first. Okay, on whole numbers we start with the natural numbers. So what are the natural numbers? Natural numbers start with 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and so on up to 1000 and up to 1 lakh and so on. These are the natural numbers. Okay, so these natural numbers are found in the nature. You can compare it like this, because the natural numbers are those numbers those are found in the nature. Means, for example, 1 apple is there, so 1 is there. 2 mango are there. For example, 1 lakh tree are there. So all these are the numbers that are found, that are means known as the natural numbers. Okay, now if we add 0 to the natural numbers, means 0 1 and then 2 then 3 and so on, whatever whole numbers are there, complete one, means including 0. If you include the 0 to the natural numbers, these all numbers are called as whole numbers. Okay, I think you got the point. Now we can understand this like this. For example, there is a circle, and inside this circle all natural numbers are there. Then if we have 0 here and we circle it all, means this is a whole number. Okay, means all natural numbers containing 0 also will be known as whole numbers. Okay, I think you got this concept clear, and there is no doubt. So there is some questions also in this. So perhaps first one is not exactly question. So first one is talks about, are all natural numbers also whole number? Okay, this true, in this question can come in true and false. Okay, so we have already studied just now that all natural numbers are whole numbers. The same thing they are saying here. So the answer of this question is yes, means it is true that all natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay, second is the reverse one. Okay, what is reverse one? Are all whole numbers are natural numbers? So here the in one word answer is no. Okay, why it is no? Because there is 0, which is a whole number, but not a natural number. Okay, except 0 everything is there, but as per this question, this concept, this answer of this question is no. Okay, so there is no doubt. Okay, so which is the greatest whole number? Okay, so third question is, which is the greatest whole number? Greatest means whichever means bigger number, you know. Okay, so bigger number is not defined, you can say. It can be more than 1 lakh, more than 1 crore, 10 crore. So it is said as infinite. Okay, so this cannot be defined. Okay, now third concept in this chapter is the number line. Okay, so third concept is number line. So number line, you need to understand this concept very carefully, because this will be utilized and used at many places in summation, subtraction, means addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Everywhere this concept is being used. So you need to understand this concept and apply it on your questions and study. Okay, so any number line is drawn like this, and it starts with 0. Okay, this is marked at 0, and after certain distance, certain fixed distance, we will mark is 1, and same distance we will mark as 2, means these distances are same. So we will keep marking 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, so this is a number line. This number line also comes negative also. We will talk about this later, but it comes negative also. But first of all you need to understand that it start with 0, and then after incrementing one point another point comes, because if you add 1 in 1, then it will give 2. If you add 1 to 2, then it will give 3. If you add 1 to the 3, then it will give 4, and then if you add 1 to the 4, then it will give 5, and so on. Okay, so this is the concept of number line. And here what you see, if you want to compare the numbers, for example we want to compare 5 with 2. Okay, so in this you can clearly say that 5 is greater than 2. Why it is greater than 2? Because every distance is measured from 0. Okay, so from 0 is the reference. So distance of 5 is this much, and distance of 2 is this much only. So this 5 is greater than 2. So this is the clear concept how any number is greater and how any number is lesser. For example you can say 3 is less than 4, because 3 is before 4. Okay, 3 is 1 less to the 4. Okay, so this concept I think is clear. Now we will have the addition on number line. We will add some numbers based on the number line and try to give you the concept how the addition works. You will get many questions, and we will also solve in our next video on exercise 2.1 that how the addition on number line works. But first of all we will tell you the concept here, so that the concept is very much clear to you. Okay, so for example we need to add 3 to 4. Okay, 3 and 4 are being added here. So how we will add here and how we'll get here? So first of all we will draw a number line here. Okay, and number line will start with 0, will not go negative here, because we are just concentrating now in the positive numbers, and in later exercises we will go to negative also. Okay, so we'll denote here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. You can have any numbers as per your requirement. So first of all, what is the first number we will reach there from 0. So 1, 2 and 3. So we have reached here. Okay, now we need to add 4 to 3. So how will go for 4? We will add 1 by 1 to the 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have come here. So what is this number? This is 7. Okay, so this is the process by which we can add any numbers in number line. So 3 plus 4 equal to 7. So if you want to denote this also in the number line, so you will do like this. You have reached to 3, already 3 is there, so in the 3 if you are adding 4, so you will write like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you can mark as a arrow also here, arrow. So when you are solving in your test papers or exam papers, you will solve like this, means you have to make a loop also like this. Okay, so one more examples you can take. Let's solve as 5 plus 4. Okay, 5 plus 4. So first of all we will draw a line. We will start with 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 1, 2. So we have marked this as per our requirement. Okay, So we have 5. So till 5 we reach like this, we are here. Okay, we are at 5. Now we need to make a loop, 4 loops. Okay, to arrive to the what is the addition. So 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, so where we have reached at 9. So 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Okay, so this is the way to solve the addition, means sum of the numbers. Okay, similarly you can do any sum or addition. Now we have come to subtraction. Okay, subtraction on the number line. Okay, subtraction on the number line. Okay, this is the same concept, but where we need to come back. In this we were going to right side, means we were finding +1 of each number, and here since we are subtracting, so we have to come left, means we in decreasing trend we need to come. Okay, so for example, let's first of all make a number line here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so for example we need to subtract 8 minus 3. Okay, so we will reach to 8 first. So we are here. Okay, we are here. Now 3 loops we have to come back. We will need to come left. So 1, we have come 1, now 2 and 3. Okay, so where are we now? We are at 5. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So this is the process of subtraction. Okay, so any number we can take. Let's take some another number like 6 minus 2 we will take. This is the example given here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we need to find 6 minus 2. So we will reach first of all at 6. So we are here at 6. Now we'll come back 2 loops. Okay, 2 loops, 1 and 2. Okay, so where are we? At 4. So its answer will be 4. Okay, 6 minus 2 will be 4. And you need to solve like this only, means you cannot write 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Simply you cannot write, you need to write at the bottom, but you need to denote this also. You need to make this number and line also, otherwise your question will be wrong. Okay, now third another point is multiplication. Okay, multiplication. First of all we are telling you the concept of number line and how to add, that means sum, and how to subtract and how to multiply. Okay, so we have come to multiplication now. So here the concept is like this, that means when we are multiplying, we are means adding the times means, for example 2 multiplied by 3 is there, means 2 is added 3 times here. Okay, 2 is added 3 times here, something like that. Other way around also you can say 3 is added 2 times. 3 is added 2 times, means 3 plus 3 is added 2 times. Okay, here it is 6, so here it will be 6, and 2 is added 3 times, means 2 plus 2 plus 2, this is also 6. Okay, so the concept is like this. So we'll explain you after taking some example here. For example, the same example, for example 2 is multiplied by 3, and we need to give it like this. Okay, and this also, both way you can solve it. Both way you can solve it. This one also we can solve it. So I will tell you which one is to be preferred, okay. So first of all, let's do it. Let's to make it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, okay. So 3 plus 3 means first of all we need to go to 3 and then 3 more, okay, 3 more, okay, like this, okay. This is 3 plus 3, okay. So this is this one, okay. Now 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay. Now we'll solve like this, okay. So first we will take 2, then another 2. Now you can see we are jumping 2 points because we are adding 2, not 1, and we have come to 6 like this. So this is the concept through which we need to solve it, okay. I think you got my point. I got my point. And let's solve one another example, and in this we will tell you which one is the preferred method that can be adopted, okay. So since we have a number line here, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, okay. Now for example we need to multiply 4 by 3. You already know this is just a minute, I need to then, if you need to multiply 4 by 3, no we cannot do because number line is not having that much points, so we will have some other number. So we can have number like okay, 2 multiplied by 3 itself, okay. No, it cannot be like this, okay. So let's make number line again, okay. We will solve by 4 by 3 because for 4 by 3 it is 12, so we need 12 points here. So we will make a number line again, and 1, there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay. So since we are multiplying by 3, okay, multiplying by 3, so we will jump 3 points. How many times? 4 times, okay. How many points? 4 times. Means the right one number of points will be jumped. For example, here it is 3, so first jump will be 3, okay. How many times? 4 times, okay, like this. Second time, third time and fourth time, okay. So this way we need to solve our questions, okay. So this is the method, this is the process through which we need to solve. For example, we need to do it as 4 cross 2, okay. So 4 cross 2 we will solve in this one, this number line. So 4 cross 2 means 2 times we will jump to, sorry, 2 steps we will jump, 2 steps will be jump. How many times? 4 times. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay. So here we'll arrive at 8, okay. So this is the concept. If you are doing 4 points you are jumping 2 times also, that is also not wrong, okay. Nobody can make it wrong. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, okay. If you are doing this one at jumping 4 and then jumping second time at 4, so this is also correct, okay. So in this way you can do the multiplication on number line, and the concept of whole number of this chapter this is complete, and in next video will have the exercise 2.1 solve complete exercise, and then later on we'll jump to the other concepts of the whole number of this chapter, and we'll take forward to you. Okay, so this is all. We'll meet again. Thank you.